my wife is from here, from Iloilo, so we spend our vacation during the summer in the Philippines.
When you talk about your time here in the Philippines, or
yeah, of course, it's unforgettable my time in the Philippines. I learned a lot, especially under Coach Franz Pumaren. What I learned, I carried it with me to Bahrain, and up to now I'm playing. He covered me in West Asia, my friend, and still playing. I'm the captain ball of Muharraq Club. We just won the championship in Bahrain, and we'll represent Bahrain in the West Asia tournament next season.
Are you still in contact with JB Casio?
Yes. I'm in contact with my old teammates, especially my batchmates, PJ Baroa, James Mangas, Marco. Yeah.
Rico is now vlogging. What do you think about that?
A funny guy. Amazing. Everything is amazing for him.
So you're watching, huh?
Yeah. I follow them on social media.
Just your thoughts about Bahrain basketball right now. With you around?
Bahrain basketball is developing. We have good young players. They performed well in Jones Cup, and I think the future is bright for Bahrain basketball.
How about your reaction to the PBA coming there?
Oh, very exciting. Yeah. So when my dad broke the news, we were excited that we'll see PBA games. Filipinos were lucky to have back home to have PBA games there. So we'll see Filipino fans from Bahrain, from East Saudi Arabia. They'll be there watching the games.
Did you plan to also play in the PBA back then when you were with LaSalle?
Yeah, of course. I think any Filipino, half Filipino, his dream is to play in PBA. But I think I settled quickly in Bahrain after LaSalle.
Any memorable moment with LaSalle?
Of course, my championship 2007. Yeah, that's unforgettable, and especially winning the UAP season after the suspension year. Yeah. Right. So it's unforgettable.
Well, how optimistic ka lang na mapupuno yung Khalifa Sports City with the PBA president?
I'm very optimistic that the Filipino fans will fill out the Khalifa Stadium. No matter who team PBA brings in Bahrain, they will fill up the stadium.
Pero first time yata ito
PBA games, yes, but PBA teams they've been in Bahrain, Santa Lucia, Rain or Shine. Not sure with the other teams, but that's what I remember right now. Gilas, they were there before under Coach Raiko Toroman. Yeah, for exhibition games.
Pwede mo invite yung Pinoy fans doon in Tagalog?
Right now I cannot bring up the words, but mga kabayan, watch nyo yung PBA season 50 in Bahrain. Exciting games coming up, and see you there.
Thank you. Thank you.